Hi, do you want to get conversion rate 25%? I just select the last month from our dashboard. Here you can see our conversion rate is 30.75%. So, in this video, I'm going to share you how to optimize your Google ad very carefully, professionally, and increase your conversion rate very carefully. I have a lots of experience in this section. If you want to work with me, then you can contact me. My name is Amin. I'm a top rated Google ad specialist on Fiverr and Upwork. Let's go to the main video. First of all, you have to improve your landing page experience. Okay, so landing page experience is so important. Improve your landing page experience. Suppose if you check your page speed here, just write here page speed test. Here you can see the page speed inside. Just write your website URL. Suppose I write one website URL Alamin.com. Here you can see our result is diagnosis now. From this report you can understand about your website performance. From this report here you can see performance 25%. So you need to increase your performance. So if you search another website, I just search 10msschool.com. just search here. Okay, here you can see the website performance is not a good, so you need to improve your website performance. So this is the first point, because it is depend on quality score. If your quality score is not a good, then you will Google take search high from you. So improve landing page experience. If you want to improve your landing page, then you can contact us. We will help you to optimize your optimize your landing page. Then optimize fast loading and mobile responsive. So because a lots of user visit our website from mobile, and so you should make mobile responsive and super loading fastest to get a more conversion on Google ad. Okay, then use perfectly dynamically conversion tracking, because conversion tracking is so important. If I show you on the Google ad, our conversion tracking is very active. Okay, because conversion tracking is so important for a campaign, so you have to set up conversion tracking. Here you can see our conversion contact us is active. Okay, this is the last month, so you have to conversion tracking properly. Then refine keywords and negative keywords. So keyword targeting is so important. First of all, there is a lots of keywords. Suppose purchase intent keyword, lead contact keyword, localize keyword, everything. So what is your business goal? So depend on the business goal, you have to refine your keyword and excluded negative keyword there. Then you most of the major important part, refine keyword, targeting keyword. So target your keyword, targeting research keyword very deeply, and also excluded negative keyword. If you need help to keyword research, then you can contact me. Okay, so this is the 4 point. Then you have to A/B testing. So A/B testing is so important for any campaign, because uh, you run a campaign and that will be successful. It's not a best practice. Best practice, you have to create a some campaign. Suppose you have to create a 5 campaign. One campaign get best result, so this is the winning campaign. One campaign does not lead non conversion, not a good a conversion, then this campaign is not a winner campaign. Lead average ad extension. Ad extension is so important, because when you run ad extension, then you will see this is a ad extension that will take a great places on Google ad. If you don't use ad extension, then that will be only this position. So that mean they will take a few small place. When you use ad extension, they take a good position, a great position, or larger space. So make sure use Google ad extension, and must be it will be relevance. Okay, optimize bidding strategy. First of all, if you run a campaign in the beginning, then first of all you have to use Google maximize click for first month. After a month, you need to change conversion tracking, because in your system you have done data, so you need to use click optimize. And then after a month, 2 months, then you have to use optimize bidding strategy as a conversion. So you need to select use remarketing strategy. Remarketing strategy, that means if anyone visited already website, they will add again on anywhere if they use a Google product or Google partnership network. So use Google remarketing strategy. But you have to, first of all, you have to set up your remarketing tag or Google ad to website. If you don't know how to set up Google remarketing, then let me contact us, I will help you. Okay, then last 3, focus on audience targeting. So if you have a specific audience, suppose dentist, lawyer, neurosurgeon, then you can also target on your focus audience, so that will be helpful for you. Okay, then optimize ad content. Write a you have to write very attractive ad copy depend on keyword. Suppose you have a 20 keywords, don't use 20 keywords in an ad group. Use a 6-7 most relevant keyword, and based on the relevance keyword, write a Google ad copy that will be more attractive and increase also CTR. So hopefully you understand optimize ad copy. Test different type of campaign. Run Google search ad campaign, performance ad campaign, shopping ad campaign, so then you can understand which campaign get the best result. So if you follow this strategy, then you can generate this type of conversion rate. So conversion rate is, so you will get this type of conversion. Okay, if you want to optimize Google ad, then you can hire me. I will work for you project basis or hourly basis. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.